The Galaxy A53 is one of those phones that just refuses to fade away quietly. It's been around for a while now, and even though it's starting to show its age, Samsung has given it a new lease on life with the Android 16 and One UI 8.0 update. That's great news for owners, especially in the US and other major markets where the rollout has already begun. But with this latest update installed, the big question now is, what comes next for the Galaxy A53? Let's break it down. The Galaxy A53 launched with Android 12, and since then, it has climbed all the way to Android 16. That means it has officially received for major OS upgrades, which is exactly what Samsung promised when the phone first came out. So on paper, it has already completed its software journey. But there's still some debate about whether it might get One UI 8.5, which could be its final update. Technically speaking, both One UI 8.0 and One UI 8.5 are based on Android 16. That's where things start to get a little tricky. Because if Samsung decides that One UI 8.0 is the last major release for the A53, it wouldn't actually be breaking any promises. The phone has received its full for Android versions, Android 12, 13, 14, 15, and now 16. That's already more than what many mid-range phones get. But here's the thing, Samsung has a bit of a history of squeezing in one last small update before saying goodbye to older models. For example, the Galaxy A52 and A51 both got minor One UI updates at the very end of their lifespans. The A52 received One UI 5.1, and the A51 got One UI 6.1. These weren't massive overhauls, but they brought a few design tweaks, small features, and improved stability. So if Samsung follows the same pattern, there's a good chance the Galaxy A53 might also get One UI 8.5 sometime next year. However, it's important to manage expectations. Even if the Galaxy A53 does get One UI 8.5, it's very unlikely that the phone will receive any of the new Galaxy AI features that Samsung has been rolling out on newer models like the S24 and S25 series. The company has made it clear that these AI tools require more powerful hardware with optimized neural processing units, things the A53 simply doesn't have. So while One UI 8.5 could bring small interface refinements or minor performance boosts, don't expect game-changing upgrades. No Circle to Search, no Live Translate, and no AI editing magic. The A53 will remain a solid mid-range phone, but it won't suddenly become an AI powerhouse. Still, the fact that the Galaxy A53 is even part of the conversation in late 2025 says a lot about Samsung's improved software commitment. A few years ago, getting for Android updates and 5 years of security patches on a mid-range phone would have been unthinkable. Now it's the standard. And while the A53 may be nearing the end of its major updates, it'll continue to receive security patches for at least another year or two, keeping it safe and stable. Right now, Samsung hasn't officially confirmed whether the A53 will get One UI 8.5 or not. So as it stands, we have two possible outcomes. Option 1, Samsung decides that One UI 8.0 was the final major update. That would make Android 16 the last OS version, and the phone would move into its final phase of quarterly security patches. Option 2, Samsung gives the A53 a proper send-off with One UI 8.5 sometime in 2026, a smaller but meaningful update. Similar to what we saw with the A51 and A52 in the past. If you ask me, there's a strong chance we'll see Option 2 happen. Samsung likes to maintain consistency across its lineup, and offering one final refinement update for the A53 would make sense, especially since it's been one of the company's most popular mid-range devices. So to sum it all up, the Galaxy A53 has officially hit its Android limit with Android 16 and One UI 8.0, but there's still a glimmer of hope for one last upgrade in the form of One UI 8.5, whether that happens or not. The phone will remain supported with security updates for a while longer. For now, the A53's future looks stable, even if it's nearing the end of its journey. And while newer devices might be stealing the spotlight with advanced AI tools and flashy hardware, the Galaxy A53 still stands as one of Samsung's best mid-range success stories, a reliable phone that delivered far more longevity than anyone expected.